Jose from Delmys Home Services, house cleaning. Today's topic is what's the right tool to use on the different types of floors. So if you have carpet floors, we use this turbine type of floor cleaner. It's great for water wall carpets. Now if you have area rugs, like these behind me, we actually use this tool right here. It doesn't have a turbine, it doesn't have no moving parts. It's just suction. From the vacuum, you set it up and you vacuum your floors or the carpet area rug. Now if you have hardwood floors, whether they're sealed or non-sealed, then you use this type of attachment, which has a soft bristle brush and it doesn't scratch the floor when you use it. So you basically attach it to your vacuum. Vacuum the floor. So thank you again for taking our tips into consideration. Jose from Delmys House Cleaning.